Best Business Credit Cards for Massive Cashback and Travel Perks, 2025 Guide. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or entrepreneur, your credit card is more than a payment tool, it's a business weapon. The right business credit card can earn you massive cash back, cover free flights and hotel stays, give you travel insurance, access to airport lounges, and help you manage expenses smarter. But with hundreds of options and fine print designed to confuse, how do you find the best cards that actually reward you for running your business? In this comprehensive 2025 guide, we'll break down why business credit cards are different, what to look for in a business card, top 5 business credit cards for cashback, travel rewards, and startup perks, real strategies to maximize your earnings. Briefcase: why business credit cards matter, more than you think. Business credit cards serve 2 main functions. Separate your business and personal expenses, important for taxes, accounting, and liability. Reward your business for spending with cashback, points, and perks. Unlike personal credit cards, business cards can offer higher credit limits, more robust reward categories, business-specific benefits like employee cards, reporting tools, and expense tracking. Plus, many business cards don't report to your personal credit unless you default, so you can build business credit while protecting your personal score. What makes a great business credit card? Whether you're a one-person LLC or a scaling enterprise, here's what to consider. Heavy checkmark: cashback versus travel rewards. Cashback equals direct money back, great for predictable spending. Points/miles equals better for businesses that travel often. Heavy checkmark spending categories. Look for cards that match your top spending areas. Office supplies, online ads, travel, dining, shipping. Heavy checkmark intro bonuses. Big sign-up bonuses can be worth $750 to $1,200 plus, depending on how much you spend in the first few months. Heavy checkmark fees and interest. Annual fees can range from $0 to $695. Some cards offer 0% APR periods for new purchases or balance transfers. Trophy: top business credit cards for cashback and travel perks, 2025 edition. Here are the best business credit cards based on real value, not just marketing fluff. 1 Inc. Business Unlimited Registered Trademark Credit Card by Chase. Best 4, flat rate cashback and no annual fee. 1.5% unlimited cashback on all purchases. $750 bonus after spending $6,000 in 3 months. 0% APR on purchases for 12 months. No annual fee. Free employee cards. Fraud protection and expense management tools. Electric light bulb: why it works. If you don't want to track categories but still want solid returns, this card gives consistent, simple cashback with strong Chase protections. 2 American Express Registered Trademark Business Gold Card. Best 4, high-volume spenders who want flexible travel rewards. Earn 4x points on the top 2 spending categories each month, up to $150,000/year. Advertising, gas, restaurants, tech, shipping, travel. 1x on all other purchases. Welcome offer, 70,000 points after spending $10,000 in 3 months. 25% points back when booking travel through Amex. Annual fee, $375. Electric light bulb: why it works. You don't have to pick your categories, the card automatically adapts to your top expenses. Great for businesses with fluctuating spend patterns. 3 Capital One Spark Cash Plus. Best 4, massive cash back with no preset spending limit. 2% unlimited cash back on all purchases. $1,200 bonus after spending $30,000 in 3 months. No preset spending limit, based on your business revenue. Annual fee, $150, waived if you spend $150K/year. Must pay balance in full each month, charge card. Electric light bulb. Why it works, big spenders love the simplicity. High earning potential plus large bonus plus no cap equals serious value. 4. Chase Inc. Business Preferred Registered Trademark. Best 4. Travel rewards and huge intro bonus. 100,000 points after spending $8,000 in 3 months, worth $1,250 via Chase Travel. Earn 3x points on the first $150,000/year in travel, shipping, advertising, internet/phone. 1x on all other purchases. Cell phone protection when you pay your bill with the card. Annual fee, $95. Electric light bulb. Why it works, this is the gold standard for business travel cards. The bonus alone can cover multiple flights or hotel stays, especially when booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards Registered Trademark. 5. The Business Platinum Card Registered Trademark from American Express. Best 4. Premium travel perks and lounge access. 5x points on flights and prepaid hotels through amextravel.com. 1.5x points on large purchases, over $5,000, and select business categories. 120,000 point bonus, after spending $15,000 in 3 months. Access to Centurion Lounges, Delta Sky Club, Priority Pass. $200 airline fee credit, $400 Dell credit, Global Entry/TSA Precec credit. Annual fee, $695. Electric light bulb. Why it works, designed for high-earning entrepreneurs or executive travelers. The perks alone, lounges, credits, upgrades, can more than offset the fee. Credit card bonus picks, if you want niche perks. Here are a few more options worth considering based on your needs. Small Blue Diamond U.S. Bank Business Leverage Registered Trademark Visa Signature Registered Trademark Card. 2% cash back on top 2 categories, auto-assigned monthly. $0 annual fee first year, $95 after. Small Blue Diamond Brex Card for startups. No personal guarantee. Up to 8x on ride share, travel, restaurants. Great for VC-backed or fast-growing startups. Small Blue Diamond Bank of America Registered Trademark Business Advantage Customized Cash. 3% cash back in category of your choice, gas, travel, etc. 2% at restaurants, 1% everywhere else. $0 annual fee. Chart with upward trend. How to maximize cash back and travel rewards. Just having the card isn't enough. Here's how to extract maximum value. White heavy check mark. Use the right card for the right expense. Split your spending based on bonus categories. Use Amex Gold for online ads. Use Chase Inc. Preferred for shipping or travel. Use Spark Cash for uncategorized purchases. White heavy check mark. Set up auto payments. Missing payments equals interest plus damaged credit plus lost rewards. White heavy check mark. Use employee cards wisely. Issue employee cards with individual limits. Their purchases earn you rewards and build spend history. White heavy check mark. Stack with loyalty programs. Book hotels with your card and the hotel's loyalty program. Earn double or triple points when combined smartly. White heavy check mark. Track rewards. Most issuers offer portals to redeem for gift cards, travel, cash, or transfer to airline/hotel partners. Cashback versus travel, which should you choose? Criteria: Cashback card, travel rewards card. Easy to use. White heavy check mark. Cross mark, requires strategy. Higher short-term value. White heavy check mark. Cross mark. Long-term compounding value. Cross mark. White heavy check mark. Best for large spenders. White heavy check mark. White heavy check mark. Redeem for travel. Cross mark. White heavy check mark. Simplicity. White heavy check mark. Cross mark. Electric light bulb. If you want flexibility and simplicity, cashback wins. But if you travel frequently, travel cards offer outsized value, especially with point transfers. Collision symbol. How to get approved for the best business cards. Even if you're a solo entrepreneur, freelancer, or run a side hustle, you can apply for business cards. Here's how to boost your approval odds. White heavy check mark. Use a legal business name, even if it's your name. You can apply as a sole proprietor with your SSN and personal credit score. White heavy check mark. Estimate your revenue honestly. Even $500/month counts. Most issuers ask for your annual income, business type, and time in business. White heavy check mark. Keep personal credit healthy. Even though it's a business card, your personal credit still matters, especially if your business is new. White heavy check mark. Apply strategically. Avoid applying for multiple cards at once. Use pre-qualification tools to gauge your chances. Checkered flag. Final thoughts. Turn business spending into free travel and cash. Running a business is hard enough. Your credit card should be working for you, not against you. With the right strategy and card mix, you can earn thousands in cash back, fund free business trips or vacations, build credit and access higher limits, unlock elite perks and savings. In 2025, the top business credit cards offer powerful tools, but only if you know how to use them. Choose the card, or combo, that fits your spend, avoid the interest traps, and watch your rewards pile up.